cousin. Follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at Alright now. And today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how ratchet girls. Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that? She is doing her. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this. She ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. She ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. What about? And now we them shoes on. Because you ratchet. Ooh, what you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake. She ratchet. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, what? A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. And a lot of blow. No shoe. Whistle. I had to get cute today. I'm about to keep for a boot. I had to keep it looking good because my baby did a chest made bell. Your dog, your shoe. Need new shoes today. Top what you get today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get your boots? You know it. Gone feet up. Move trail. What's the 15? I got my moves. Stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tag. $95 for this weed plus tax. Bow. Been a thing over while I spank my thumb. Don't really have this canker along. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think? You stupid? Whatever. She lies. My number. What? What is wrong with you? Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. You look good. Turn around. Let me see your suit. Okay. We're gonna talk to you later. OMG, what do she have? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Let me take this number. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong. See you ratchet. What, bye? Now with those shoes on. You ratchet. What you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. She ratchet. My name is Oww, but my girlfriends call me Carl. Yes, I am the bad, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future back. Oh, even got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Pound, Team Darcy. You don't like them red boys, just live in my bitch.